don't you take a seat? Interesting.
Is something wrong?
Actually, yes, there is. I understand that everyone's got to fill their egos every now and then, but this is ridiculous! Me. Look what I can do. This is the sort of garbage that makes me sick.
So what do you want me to say? Stuff that I cannot do?
That's exactly what I want you to do. Spin this plate.
Like, on the stick?
Yes, on the stick. Yes, okay, very good.
Do you know what the Dewey Decimal System is used for?
No.
What state was Arthur and Mark Twain born in?
No idea.
Did you know that Uganda has the highest per person consumption of bananas in the world?
No, I do not.
Can you speak Portuguese?
De gente na pergunta no boca ainda, velho, muito que.
Pushkanima.
How about a Frenchman?
C'est très chaud, la moi.
No.
J'étais fait des riz à la moi. J'étais des riz. Oui. Je t'amène vous, le ménage moi.
Are we almost?
Silence! Now, all we're going to have you to do is to take this box of nails and...
Okay, you know what? I'm done. When are all these tests going to end? I mean, what are you trying to prove? You said you wanted a man who loves his plastics, and I do. I fit the bill, don't you see? For you to put me through all this is insane. And you may be a little crazy too. Huh? Yes, no, maybe so? Tell me, Mr. Meadows!
I need you to take this serious, because I'll tell you what, you will never make it in the business world. Anywhere! If you question a leader. A leader is someone who has gone through the process, made the mistakes, and knows what to look for in his employees. Now, I have about 20 other guys out there, just today, waiting to interview for your same spot. So you need to ask yourself, do I want to work at the local hardware store, telling people where to find the cardboard boxes? Or do you want a real career?
Okay, you're right. I will take this seriously.
Great. Then all we needed to do is to hook up your nipples to this car battery and we'll be all set.